With Kentucky headlines, I'm Casey Parker Bell. UK Healthcare is opening a COVID-19 vaccine clinic for children ages 5 to 11. The CDC approved Pfizer's vaccine for the age group this week. Kentucky Children's Hospital says it's seen an increase in severe COVID in kids. UK's clinic begins Tuesday, and you can register at ukvaccine.org. A report by the Council on Post-Secondary Education says Kentucky State University needs $23 million in state funding to cover its current budget shortfall. The report cites poor financial management for KSU's significant hardship. Attorney General Daniel Cameron is joining a lawsuit challenging the Biden administration's decision to mandate COVID vaccines or weekly testing for companies with 100 employees or more. Cameron says the mandate is unconstitutional because the decision should be left to the states. Join Bill Bryant and a panel of Kentucky reporters for Comment on Kentucky.